Hi guys, this is Faye. Thanks for watching my channel. I'm all about helping you to understand how to do business in China. From strategizing your business plan to execution in real world, I'll walk you through one by one. I will also show you some case studies about marketing strategies of some international brands, which should be helpful for you to understand how to get a business succeed in China. This is my first ever channel. If you like my content, please hit subscribe button and leave a comment to say hi. Thank you. I've been working in China for more than 5 years. Sometimes I got people asking me questions about doing business in China. So today I'm going to walk you through the first and the most important step. If you're doing well, it will set up a good cornerstone of your business in China. Hey, let's begin. There are some pre-works you have to do before you submit a company registration. First, you have to check the latest negative list to see the sector of your business is legal to operate in China or not. Secondly, propose a corporate name and look the name up on the government website to see whether it is legal to use. The name should contain the city, the name, and the industry of your company. Thirdly, define your business scope. You're recommended to make reference to your industry peers. Next, prepare an official work address for your company. Also, specify the ownership structure, capital contribution ratio, registration capital of your company. Bear in mind that no capital have to be in place before the registration. Last but not least, formulate your company's article of association in accordance with the Chinese law. After finishing the steps above, you may start preparing the documents you need for the registration. You can download the forms from this website. There's also an instruction brochure you can follow. Unfortunately, the website and the brochure are both written in Chinese. You can use a translation tool when browsing the website, or you may contact me by email if you need help. I can recommend an agent to help you. Once your forms are ready, you can go to the Administration for Market Regulation in your company's location. You can easily search and find their address on Baidu. In Shenzhen, there are 11 administrations for market regulations, one per each district. You should go to the one in your company's location. You can get a ticket and wait for the call to submit the documents. After submitting the documents, you'll be granted a business license and it will be delivered to you by registered mail. It has an exclusive 18-digit code, which is vital to your company's identity. After all these are done, don't forget to open a corporate bank account, file the taxes, and sign up at the Social Security Bureau. And then you are good to start your business in China. I hope this video helped you to understand how to register a company in China. If you like my content, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment to say hi. And I will see you in the next video.